Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you an exciting game which you can find in your browser. So it's a very cool game. You can try it out when you're bored. So you can open any Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, anything whatever you have, or Mozilla Firefox, whatever you have. So it will work over there also. So you need to first open Google, like I have opened Google over here, and now you need to write over here Slicher, slither, and then on the first option you need to click slither.io, and then on the first link you need to click, so it will load for some time, so you need to wait till it loads. So here it's loading, so by the time it loads, subscribe my channel friends, and don't forget to like this video. So here it's loaded, so here you need to keep nickname or whatever your real name is. So here I am keeping my channel's name, my all in one word. Alright, and now I don't want the snakes that they give. So here, over here, you find a lot of different types of snake, like blue, green, yellow, etc., etc. But I don't want this type. I want a build snake. So you need to click over here, build a snake. So the snakes will come over here, like with what colors you can do. So I'm doing over here reset. So it will be a blank one, and now I will choose these things, and you can build your own snake. So here I'm keeping other types, or you can keep red, whatever is your favorite over here you can keep that. Like mine is this. Doesn't it look cool? Yeah. So now you need to click on save, and then again you need to click on save over here, and you need to click on play. And now this is my all-in-one world. Yeah. So here you need to eat these glowy balls over here. These glowy balls, like there are of different colors, like orange, green, purple, blue, etc. So I seriously like this game, and you need to be careful from other snakes, because if they touch you, so there's the chance that you may lose, because they eat you up. So be careful. And if you want to know your location, where are you, so here in the corner you can check you. I'm over here, so you can check where you are. And even if you find some glowing balls, like these are normal balls, so a glowing ball also comes, so you need to eat that. And big balls also, because they give you, the more you eat these, the more you get the length. And if you be over here in the corners, like I'm over here, so there are not many snakes, so I'm thinking that I'll first eat all these balls, glowy balls, and then I'll go down, so that I'll be a little long. So you can play this game. It's a very cool game. I found this when I was browsing something. So isn't it wonderful? Cool, right? So I'm gonna make my snake big. So till that time, I'm pausing. So sometimes a huge snake comes, like over here the green snake is. So you need to be careful, or else whatever you add over here to your snake, that all will go in vain. So be careful. So my snake is this much long right now. So let's meet after my snake grows more. And friends, one more thing, if you want to pause this game, so if you don't know how to pause, so it's very simple. You can go up to the browser over here and click, so the game will be paused. And friends, if you want to check your length, how much length is your snake, so here in the corner you can check your length over here, and your rank. So there are like, so it seems that there are 375 people playing this game right now. So what's my rank in that? So you need to be careful with that, that you don't come near a snake, so or else you will lose your rank. So friends, I lost the game because the greasy snake ate me up. So my final length was 365. It broke my heart. I lost the game. but never mind, you can play, click on play again, and it's done. So thanks for watching this video. So please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Do this like to this video and click on the share button on the video bar below. Don't forget to comment.